Hello students, welcome to the online classes. I hope you're fit and fine. And before starting, let me remind you that you must download the assignments which have been given on the website. Please download it and start working on it. And the parents are also requested to see that the wards do their assignments and do it carefully and do it in a register copy. Now, before coming to the topic, let me tell you that you must be playing lots of mobile games. So today we are going to play with numbers. So today's topic is playing with numbers. So let's have fun with playing with numbers. Now first of all, let us come to simplification. The first subtopic of playing with numbers is simplification. So let us understand what is there in simplification. You must have all heard about the abbreviation called BODMAS. Now let us understand what BODMAS is all about. Let us write the full form of it and let us understand what BODMAS is. So I have written BODMAS and I have written the full form of BODMAS. B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. So whenever we want to simplify numbers, we have to follow this order. Okay, to maintain the standard of doing simplification problems. So first we come to bracket, and there are three types of brackets. We have square bracket, we have curly bracket, and we have also circular bracket, which is also called as parenthesis. So these are the three types of brackets which you will come across in doing the problems of simplification. Now, apart from these three brackets, there is also another type of bracket which is called as bar bracket. It is called as So this is called as bar bracket. We also use the term we also call it as vinculum. So bar bracket is also known as vinculum. So basically we have three types of brackets here: square bracket, curly bracket and circular bracket. Apart from that, we have another additional bracket which is called as vinculum or bar bracket. Okay. So this is how we work on, and first of all, maintain the order. First bar bracket has to be solved, then the square bracket, then curly bracket and then circular bracket, and then we come to off, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So let us take up a simplification problem and let us see how we solve it. So in the question we have 36 divided by curly brackets open 24 minus 12 plus 8 is under bar bracket, curly bracket closed, plus 9. So this is the question we have. Now, if we come to the rule of BODMAS, first we have the bar bracket. So first we'll solve the bar bracket and then we'll go on or proceed on step by step. So 12 plus 8 will give you 20. So write 20 here. So first step is over. Now next what we'll do is we'll solve the curly bracket. In the curly bracket we have 24 minus 20. So let us solve it. 24 minus 20 will give you 4. So since it's a single number, so remove the curly bracket. So we get 36 divided by 4 plus 9. Next, according to BODMAS comes division. So we'll divide first. 36 divided by 4 will give you 9. Plus 9 will give you 18 as the answer. So you can see here, when we do simplification, it's a step-by-step process. So first we solve the bar bracket. After solving the bar bracket, we solve the curly bracket. After solving the curly bracket, we did the division. And then after doing the division, we added the number. So this is how the step-by-step process has to be followed in order to solve any problem on simplification. Let us come to the next subtopic of this chapter, and that is factors. Let us take factors and multiples together. We have factors and we have multiples. Now let us understand. We know that if we multiply 2 with 3, we get 6. So the product of 2 and 3 is 6. So in this case, 2 and 3 will be called as the factors of 6. So here 2 and 3 are the factors, and 6 can be called as the multiple of 2 and 3, because we know that in 2's and 3's table 6 does come. So 2 and 3 are the factors and 6 is the multiple. So basically we understand that factors is a number that divides, and 6 or multiple is the number that is divisible. Okay, so here 2 can divide 6, so that is why 2 is a factor of 6. 6 is divisible by 2, so that is why 6 is the multiple of 2. So let us write down the definition of factors and multiples. So I have written factors are what? They are the numbers that can divide another number exactly. For example, if 3 can divide 9, so 3 is a factor of 9. If 4 can divide 12, 4 is a factor of 12. If 5 can divide 20, 5 is a factor of 20. Now 2 points you must remember here. 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, 1 is a factor of every number, and a number is a factor of itself. For example, if we have 5, so 1 will be a factor of 5 and 5 will also be a factor of 5. So 1 and 5 are the factors of 5. So we understand that 1 is a factor of every number, and the number itself or every number is a factor of itself. Let's understand factors by taking one example. Suppose we have 10. We know that 1 is a factor of every number, so we start with 1. And let us find out which all numbers can divide 10. So that will be considered as the factor of 10. So here we have taken 1. Now 2 can divide 10. Yes. 5 can divide 10, yes, and the number 10 itself can divide 10. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Similarly, if you want to find out the factors of 20, we start with 1. 2 can divide 20, yes. 4 can divide 20, 3 cannot divide 20, so we are not taking 3 as a factor. 4 can divide 20, yes. 5 can also divide 20, yes. The other numbers 6, 7, 8, 9 cannot divide 20. So we have next number as 10 and then 20. So basically the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. And these are factors because all these numbers can divide 20 exactly. So basically we understand that factors are the numbers that can divide another number exactly. Let us come to multiples. I've already told you multiple is a number that is divisible. So here let us write down the definition of multiples. So here we have multiples. I've written the definition. The number that is divisible by a given number. For example, here now 6 is the multiple of 2 and 3 because 6 is divisible by 2 and 6 is divisible by 3 as well. So that is why 6 is the multiple of 2 as well as 3. Let us take a few examples. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Similarly, the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16. So we understand that multiples is a number that is divisible by a given number. Now you must remember in multiples that every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1 and each number is the smallest multiple of itself. So 2 points you must remember. Every number is a multiple of 1 and each number is a multiple of itself. So 2 points you must remember in factors. I repeat it once again. In factors we must remember that 1 is a factor of all numbers and every number is a factor of itself. And 2 points you must remember in multiples is every number is a multiple of 1 and second point is every number is a multiple of itself.